Hello guys, Craig Newton here, that's my Knex sniper rifle. So here it is, that's my Knex sniper rifle. So I will show you how to tie a gun. So here's the stock, quite big. Here's a handle, here's a trigger, this bit moves a little bit. Here's a magazine, here's a barrel, here's a scope up here. I never built this scope before, so it's something that I never built before, so I'm decided to build my own sniper rifle. About last Saturday, I think, I built M40 sniper rifle. It was big. It didn't work too well, so I have to take it down, and then I was thinking I'm going to build my own sniper rifle, one I got right here. So this gun works really well. Like I said, M40 sniper rifle, it didn't work that well, so I really have to take it down because I was a little bit angry because it's not working really good. So now I have this, so is that side. Now I'm going to show you another side and then I will turn it back like this way, so it's a bit same. Well, it is the same, but another side it has rubber bands on it, so here's one right here and one back here. These two just for the trigger, so that's why it looks like that. So here's another side, looks like a bit same. So now I'm going to turn another way, just about the same way. So here we go. So here it is, sniper rifle. So before I will start shooting and things and all that, let me show you the bullets. It shoots these blue mullet 3-foot bullets. So I'm decided to build them, so it's something I never built before, so like I said. So now I'm going to fire this gun, so here we go. I'll put you guys right here. Okay, here's a magazine, quite small. It is small. It's so tiny. Right, so you grab this bullet pusher, you take it down, move it to here, and then you grab this piece and then you just put it through like that. So it shoots these, so you just put them into the magazine. If you want, you can put a 5th, but I'm not going to. I'm only put like 4. Because if you put a 5th in, it's just kind of falling out if you trying to put a magazine onto the gun, so that's what happens. So anyways, you will know that. So I'll put it to the gun until you hear a click. Here we go. Then you grab this, and then now it's ready to fire this gun. So here is my Knex sniper rifle, so let's shoot this thing. So my left hand is holding the barrel, so the stock is actually next to my arm, my right arm, which is shoulder, what if I even know, So my right hand is actually holding this thing right here. So what you're going to do is you pull the pin back like that and forth. You're just going to pull this thing, pull back and forth, and then now you're going to be ready to shoot this gun, so here we go. Like that. So let's shoot this gun. I don't know how long this video is, guys. I try my best not to do it a bit long, but it doesn't matter really. So here we go. It works. That is really cool gun. I mean, it's quite big. It's a little bit bigger than my Knex H&K G3. That's like 30 inches, but this one is about 2 feet 9. That's how long this gun is. It's between 32 and 33 inches. That's how long this gun is. So I'm put it down here right now. So just let me get the bullets. Here we go, I got them all. Just make sure I got 4. Yep, I got 4. Okay. Oh, 6 minutes. That's okay. Just move a little bit. Okay, that should be it. So yeah, this gun works pretty well. I didn't expect, I thought it wouldn't be work, but it did. It works really well. It was a little bit same when I built M40 sniper rifle. I mean, I did try, but it wasn't work too well, so I have to pick it down, and then I'm decided to build my own sniper rifle, so it works really well. So I actually start my third Knex bomb machine, which is called a jigsaw lift. Like, I start about Tuesday or something like that. I think I started about Tuesday. No, it was Monday. So that's a new lift I built. My first new lift. I haven't built the rest yet. So anyways, I hope you're looking forward to that. So guys, thanks for watching this video of my Knex sniper rifle. It's a bit big, quite big gun I have built. It took me like 2 days to build. About 2 days. I started about Wednesday night, and then I'm finished about Friday, which is today, the 10th of March. So it will be more guns, like something big and small, whatever you want me to build next. So please let me know in the comments below. So whatever you want me to build next, something small or big, something I never built before, something I hope it works, but if it's not work, I have to take it down and then build it something else. So I really try to let you go, guys. That's like 9-minute long video. So I hope you like this gun, guys. Thumbs up or down or up. Whatever, it's up to you. Whether you like it or not. So it is quite a big gun though. So anyways, please like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, content, link to subscription and comments more. So bye.